Getting some Jesus chicken.
You know that? Jesus
God's
chicken.
glory.
Some of that God's glory, that's right. Oh yeah. It's that blessed chicken. The blessed chicken.
It's taking forever.
It's slow blessed chicken. It's taking a long time. They got a big old line here. But they got anointing in it. That's what takes so long, you know. Alright, so.
Woo! Finally here.
I'm here.
Still packing. Still packing.
We ready?
And we're
Let's
ready.
do it. Here we are in the Cohutta Wilderness, and we're getting ready to hit Dowley Gap. I guess we're at Dowley Gap, and we're going to be going to Jacks River Falls, which is 9 miles and about 800 feet of elevation down. So it'll be 800 back. We're just doing an in and out trip, and it is Jacks River Falls, like one of the best waterfalls in Georgia. Love it, but it's a pretty good hike in. You've got to cross the river, Jacks River, about 20 times to get to them. And so, yeah, she's getting all packed up and ready, and we're getting ready to go. So here we are, about a third of the way into the Cohutta Wilderness along Jacks River Trail. We've done, I'd say, about 3 miles. Looking at the map a minute ago. And these are very common trail conditions. right here. I think this trail is definitely rated hard moderate, and I would stick with that rating. But it's also beautiful. We had a little bit of rain, and the rain stopped, and now we are just walking on the river, really enjoying that. So our friend Tony came along today and just having a blast. You guys gotta come and hit this place up. What up, guys? Here we are in the Cohutta Wilderness. It's Sunday morning. We hiked 9 miles and did like 18, 19 river crossings yesterday, and just spent the night here along the trail at one of the cool little campsites. We got our coffee and some Mountain House breakfast skillet. I got the one with potatoes, scrambled eggs, sausage, peppers, and onions. If you don't look at it when you eat it, because it's if you don't look at it when you eat it, and then
it feels like tofu.
She says it feels like tofu. Add the blue agave sriracha. It's not bad. It's like a Texas omelet, but if you look at it, yeah, I wouldn't recommend doing that. So anyways,
Yeah, I'm just gonna eat it.
having some coffee and some eggs. There's our buddy Tony. He's over there packing his bag up. He's made it much further than me and Ashton. As you can see, we still have much to pack, but we got everything put away, sorta ish.
No.
Well, we got everything rolled up. Everything's rolled up. All we gotta do is finish packing. But yeah, we spent the night here in hammocks, probably about a quarter of a mile from the falls, and we got this just beautiful spot all night long. We got to hear the river, and it was just amazing. So that was fun. Yesterday we actually hit the falls. Took some drone shots, swam. It was freezing cold. So yeah, the water here is straight up mountain water. But it was fun. It was a good time. After about 9 miles and carrying our packs for 5-6 hours, it felt good. The cold water felt really good. But I will say this, if you do this trip, you got to be prepared. You're going to cross the river like 18 times. So 9 miles in the Cohutta Wilderness, especially on Jack's River, is nothing like 9 miles anywhere else in most of the national forests and places you'll go. Different challenges, so you need to pack to where your gear is more waterproof. Definitely bring stuff in the event you get blisters, and I would waterproof everything in your backpack. Somehow I managed to get off scot-free. Ashton's got a few blisters, but we have our little first aid kit. We got some socks for day 2. We got some Tiger Balm. So yeah, we're gonna hike this back out today, probably hit the falls one more time.
say I'm a rapper, and I say no. You say what you doing, trying to do somebody cold.
So guys, when Tony is the leader, you know, you go through the fallen tree, but there was a trail right here that But definitely went around it. But bravo, I like it. All right, guys. So I was wrong. There's one more river crossing. Okay, make that 21. So yeah, what'd y'all think?
That's good. I'm doing the bottom part next
under
time.
a tree again.
You're never going under a tree.
I don't even
We're
know
done.
how the people are living them.
And guys, Jack's River Trail, it's fun, but we're out of here.